National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Denton County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Prosper, or near Frisco, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Frisco around 6:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Prosper around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. McKinney around 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Plano and Collin around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Collin around 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Melissa, Westminster, Weston, Blue Ridge, New Hope, Josephine, and Nevada. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The normal broadcast schedule: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hector around 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bonham around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bailey and Bonham State Park around 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Trenton, Ladonia, Windham, and Pecan Gap. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.